Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine. This is your science lesson, and as you know, we have completed the syllabus of science. So, from today's lesson, we'll start revision. We'll revise unit number 1, and the first topic that we are going to revise is the nervous system. Before starting the topic, let's watch this video and then we'll discuss about nervous system.
The nervous system. What happens when you see a mosquito sitting on your hand? You quickly shake your hand. What happens when you eat an orange? You feel a tangy taste. You breathe automatically. Every single action that you perform is because of the coordination of the nervous system. The nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord, and a large network of nerves that are spread throughout the body. Let's understand the functions of the different parts of our nervous system. The human brain is the messaging center of the nervous system. It is protected by the skull. It consists of cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem or medulla. The grey, wrinkly upper part of the brain is the cerebrum. It is divided into 4 areas. Each area controls different parts of the body. The back area controls the vision, while other areas control functions like movement, speech, memory, emotions, and touch. The cerebellum, located below the cerebrum, coordinates voluntary movements like balance, movement, and speech. It controls motor functions and muscular activity. Below the cerebrum and in front of the cerebellum lies a stem-shaped structure called medulla. The brain is connected to the spinal cord through the medulla. It transmits the messages or impulses that the brain and the rest of the body send back and forth. The medulla is in charge of all the automatic functions of the body, like respiration, digestion, and blood circulation. Nerves are cylindrical bundles of nerve fibers that run from the brain to the different parts of the body. Nerve cells are called neurons. They transmit nerve impulses. The brain has more than 10 billion nerve cells. When you see a mosquito sitting on your hand or feel its bite, neurons are stimulated by the sensation and an impulse is generated. This travels the length of the neuron and is transferred to the next neuron with the help of chemicals known as neurotransmitters. This sequence is repeated across thousands of neurons to transmit information to the brain. The brain processes this information and sends a message back, which is transmitted by the neurons to the hand. This message from the brain is your body's response to the mosquito on your hand. You respond by shaking your hand. There are 3 types of neurons.
So you have seen that how nervous system works. Nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and a lot of nerves. Brain is present inside the head. This is spinal cord, and all these blue lines are indicating nerves. So nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. What is the function of nervous system and why nervous system is important? You know, whenever you want to perform any function or you want to respond to something, your body part that want to respond will send a signal to your brain. And then brain will translate that signal and send a message to respective body part that how that body part will respond, right? In other words, we can say that nervous system will take messages from your outside world and from inside of your body, and it coordinate with your other body organs. As you know, brain will send messages to other body parts that how they have to perform. If you want to walk, then brain will send messages to your legs and feet to walk. If you get hurt, then brain will send a message of to feel pain. And in the same manners, if you are holding something that is hot or cold, because there are sensory organs. You have discussed about sensory organs. 5 sensory organs: your nose, eyes, ears, tongue, and skin. So whenever any of these sensory organ receive any message, the sensory organ or any other body part will send a message to brain, and then brain will translate that message for you, and then brain will tell that body organ that how that body organ will respond. How you hear? With the help of brain. How you see? With the help of brain. How you smell and taste, and how you feel the touch? With the help of brain. How you feel pain? How you feel something is hot or cold? With the help of brain, right? So brain control all the activities that are taking place outside and inside your body, right? So the nervous system contains brain, spinal cord, and nerves. There are 2 types of nervous system, 2 main parts of nervous system: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, this one, the brain plus spinal cord is called central nervous system. Brain plus spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system include all the nerves that are present throughout your body. All the nerves, peripheral nervous system, brain plus spinal cord, central nervous system. We can take the example like let's say that you touch something that is hot. So if you touch that thing with your finger, so the cells in your finger will send a message to brain, as we have seen in the video, that those cells will send a message to brain, and then brain will send a message to the cells that how they have to respond, right? जब भी आप किसी चीज़ को टच करते हो, अगर किसी गर्म चीज़ को टच कर रहे हो या कोल्ड चीज़ को टच कर रहे हो, so it depends how you will react on touching that thing, what message the brain is sending to you, what message you will receive from brain, right? So brain will send a message to the body part how they have to respond, and the nerves will help to carry that message from that body part to the brain, right? So in this lecture you have to remember about what is nervous system. Nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. How many types of nervous system? Peripheral and central nervous system, right? And these are some of the questions that you have to revise, because you people have already learned these questions. Question number 1 is, what is nervous system? Second is, what is nerve? And you also have to remember this: a nerve is a fiber that carries impulses through the body. 2 parts of nervous system: central and peripheral. What is central nervous system? It includes brain and spinal cord. And what is peripheral nervous system? It includes all the nerves throughout the body, all the nerves. Okay? So it's all for you today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.